Alright, what do you have there?
What do you mean?
What is that?
It's James Madison. It's my report for school.
And what can you tell me about James Madison?
He was the fourth president. He got elected twice. And he set up the Virginia plan before he was even before he even has his first term as president.
What was the Virginia plan?
It was 3 different branches of the government.
Do you remember what they were?
No.
Well, what's the president?
The legislature.
The executive.
Uh-huh.
And then the second one was that.
Yeah, and then there was,
What happens when you go to court?
I don't know,
Who's in charge of the court?
the general?
Judge?
Judge.
Judicial. Alright, what else can you tell me about James Madison?
He had epilepsy when he was trying to go to war after college.
Mm-hmm.
Went to college at...
What war was that?
I don't know. Revolutionary?
Yeah.
He went to college at Princeton.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I can't remember.
Okay, that's pretty good. Good job. Thank you.